What is a Type 6 in the Interloper lore? Here's a quick explanation. Type 6 is a fan-made type by the people in the Discord, and as of now, there are currently 3 very popular theories. But before I tell you about these theories, how can you identify a Type 6 demo? The most easy and notable one is whenever you hear this ping. This ping is believed to be the sound for whenever it selects something before shortly after deleting it. Here's a great example. As you can see, in the slowed down version, it makes these ping noises, and only after it is done selecting everything, it starts to delete everything before presumably leaving. Now, this is only one of the ways to detect a Type 6 demo. The other way to detect a Type 6 demo is very vague, but basically, it is whenever the entity is no-clipping. For example, in this demo where the heavy is no-clipping forward and then falling mysteriously, I mistakenly put Type 2 in the previous video. In reality, it was probably a Type 6, although it's pretty hard to tell since all it was doing is no-clipping in the sky before falling down, so obviously this could be an unknown type. But for the time being, many people believe that this would be either a Type 2 or a Type 6 due to the no-clipping. Anywho, let's move on to theory number 1. This is the most popular theories, and is probably 60% true. The theory that states that we are in the POV of an umbrella man, and it would make sense since from these Type 6 demos, it seems to be deleting NPCs and props. However, it's only at a 60% chance of being true thanks to demo 86, with the Type 5 and 6 combo. If we truly were in the POV of an umbrella man, it would not make sense since in this POV it was frantically pinging and selecting the Type 5 heavy instead of straight up deleting it. Another thing is in most of the Type 5 demos we have, umbrella men are either going directly into the Type 5 POV or standing there menacingly, which is far different from demo 86 since if we go into third person, since we are still the heavy and we are no clipping around instead of flying directly into the Type 5 NPC or dynamic NPC, which is why this is only a 60% chance of this theory being true. Let's move on to theory 2. This states that we are in the POV of a crasher, and this is the most plausible theory, with it being a 70% chance of being true, and the major evidence for this theory is data 52, where we hear the pinging again along with extreme similarities to Ida's crasher video. Many in the Discord have stated that data 52 is actually from the POV of Ida's crasher, and due to the similarity, it might be very possible theory along with the fact that data 52 is the only demo that crashes your game with this error message. Personally, I don't know what this means, but hey, it says dynamic, so, something with dynamic NPCs. Theory 3 is pretty new, and was actually created in a Discord call that I was a part of. Unfortunately, no footage, because I didn't record it and I'm a stupid idiot, but in this Discord call, we had this theory where we were in the POV of a scouter, an entity that, as the name suggests, scouts around servers looking for anything suspicious, such as a Type 5 NPC or a dynamic NPC, or just something unusual in the server. And as such, we also discussed the possibilities of Type 2s actually being from the POV of a scouter. But the only difference from a Type 2 and Type 6 is that Type 2's servers don't have anything unusual in them, so the scouter is not activated, while in Type 6's, the servers in which the scouters are in do have something unusual, and so the scouters are activated. And now, what the scouters, or at least what this theory states, is that once the scouter detects something unusual in the server, such as a dynamic NPC, it will start to delete everything in the map, which could explain why in most of the Type 5s we have available have no props or players or NPCs at all. It's because the scouter deleted them all. Now, after the scout has basically deleted everything, along with a few exceptions, such as this NPC picking up a can, once it has deleted everything, it will now then call in the umbrella man to delete the unusual thing or the dynamic NPC. Now, due to this being fairly new, this only has a 30% chance of being true. Basically, this theory is trying to create an entirely new entity that would probably complicate a lot of things, which is why only a couple hundred people in the server actually believe this theory. Anyway, thanks for watching, bye!